Aloha. Today we're taking a look at the Fire Cube TV, unboxing it. It's got Wi-Fi 6E, 4K HDR, all these channels. The box got a little beat up in transition. I was wanting to grab it since it's got an HDMI input. I was curious if you can do the home theater sound, and it picked up the sound through the HDMI input, or if you needed to use the TV sound when you do the HDMI input. So we got the usual power cord, the cube itself, empty box, remote controller with two Amazon basic batteries, and that's pretty much it for this unbox. No HDMI cord, so you need one if you want to connect it to anything. And just slide in your batteries. Just gotta set up this cube. Got felt buttons. Here's a look at the back. A lot of inputs compared to the first couple models. Okay, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Shoots and aloha.